big is happening over the weekend. In fact, this Friday, something big is happening. What is happening? Odetobo, okay. Let me introduce my guest. I have the creative director here himself, the creative director of Fefeefe Concert at every Basso Friday. Someone say Fefeefe Concert that. Me so main say that. Hello, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Creative director, yes, I'm
easy. But it was quite impressive. Me share Gloria for the all.
Yeah. That's the industry.
There's not even love in the theater industry. Not talk about the movie industry.
Right.
Like if that should be so, the first question you should ask yourself is why don't we have Ghana Movie Awards? Why was the lady hosting using the whole pocket money? How they sponsor Ghana Movie Awards? Should back off. Into which or do anyhow and the sabotage and all these things. So she's speaking the truth, and we are always back. As sabotage for speaking the truth. So
would you agree, say we are hypocrites in the industry? There is no love.
Yes. We pretend to love. You're pretending to love. And that's what is killing us. Like, look at this movie. One Night Guest.
Right.
Peter Segbefia or premiere. Why must he take the movie to Nigeria to go and shoot it?
Premiere, yeah.
Even to shoot the movie. Because there's an investor in Nigeria who is giving the money. And he says that come to my country and shoot it and put my people on. So what do you think has happened?
Right. Anyways, Francis so the our industry. He is the creative director of Fefeefe Concert. So Francis, one will ask, what is Fefeefe Concert all about?
Fefeefe Concert, Fefeefe means something that is beautiful.
Right.
Something that we all see, like you admire something. So it's a Fefeefe Concert lunch. It's a lunch concert, sorry. So it's an act, a music
lunch
festival.
or lunch?
It's a lunch.
As so it's lunch. Okay,
yes,
right.
Sorry,
okay,
sorry,
right.
It's lunch, right. In the BBA arts and music festival.
Just a movie piano cry, okay.
This is the first time. I'm a creative art director for Agape Art Productions. Me, I'm into mostly theater.
Right.
But we know a music and art festival. We are bringing music. A whole band, as a Fefeefe band. The creative comedy for Clemento Suarez is going to perform live. And the friend is saying dancers, a militant dance family, also performing on that day. We have a poetry and then the music also by Lord Kramer, and also a pass it through or her. Right. So